Hey bro, what's up?
I'm over the moon. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I am also fine.
What's your name?
My name is Mehdi Hassan. What is your name?
My name is Saiful Islam. Call me Saiful.
Yes.
Where are you from?
I am from Chatpur. Where from?
I'm from Gopalganj. What about you?
I am a student of English fantasy.
English fantasy is very good environment and very good organization.
Yes.
English fantasy is a very good language. English language center.
Yes.
And English fantasy all teacher friendly and very good. Rajun sir is a good teacher.
Yes.
And that's all. English fantasy.
About your favorite teacher?
Yes, my favorite. All teacher is my favorite, but my favorite teacher. All teacher is my favorite.
Yes. This place is so beautiful.
Yes, Shumali Field, so beautiful place, and I enjoy. You?
Yeah, I am also enjoyed, brother, because this is so beautiful place in this big field.
Yeah. How old are you?
I am 17 years old. How old are you?
I'm 16 years old.
Yeah. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black. What's your college name?
My college name is Chatpur.
Oh,
Chatpur College.
so good.
Yes.
Your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Why?
Because favorite color is so common. There's all time maximum people just use.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, my black pen.
I'm also black.
Yes. Oh, thank you so much, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I love it.